Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to this video. Today, we will talk about something very important. We will talk about how to build your confidence with English. Do you feel shy when you try to speak English? Do you feel nervous when someone talks to you in English? Don't worry, my friends. You are not alone. Many people in the world feel the same way. But here is the good news. You can build your confidence step by step. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you can learn. It is something you can grow. Think about riding a bicycle. At first, you are afraid. You think you will fall. But when you practice more and more, you get stronger. Finally, you ride the bicycle without fear. English is the same. At first, you feel shy, but when you practice every day, you will grow. Step by step, your confidence will shine. 1. Start small and simple. Do not start with big and hard words. Start with small and easy sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to express my gratitude for your valuable support," just say, "Thank you for your help." Small steps are powerful. When people understand you, you feel happy. And this happiness builds your confidence. You do not need big words to sound smart. Even small words can carry a strong message. Remember, the goal is communication, not perfection. Number 2. Practice every day. Confidence comes from daily practice. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. You can talk to yourself in English. Say simple things like, "This is my pen. I am drinking water. I am going to work." Practice when you cook. Practice when you walk. Practice when you look at things around you. Daily practice makes English natural. And when English feels natural, confidence grows. It is better to practice a little every day than to practice a lot only once a week. Small practice daily is more powerful than big practice sometimes. Number 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people lose confidence because they fear mistakes. They think, "What if I say something wrong?" They think, "What if people laugh at me?" But remember this, mistakes are normal. Mistakes are teachers. When you were a child, you made mistakes in your first language, but you still learned. English is the same. So don't stop when you make a mistake. Smile, correct yourself, and continue. Every mistake makes you stronger. If you never make mistakes, you will never learn. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will see. Number 4. Listen more and speak more. Listening is the key to speaking. The more you listen, the more you learn. Listen to English songs. Listen to English movies. Listen to English YouTube videos. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on some words and repeat them. For example, if you hear, "How are you today?" repeat it slowly.
Say it again and again. Later, when you meet someone, you can use the same line. This will make you confident to speak. Your mouth will get used to English sounds, and your ears will understand English better.
5. Think in English. Do not always translate in your head. If you think in your own language first, you become slow. You feel nervous. Train your brain to think in English. For example, when you are hungry, don't think in your own language. Just think, I am hungry. When you want to sleep, think, I am tired. When you practice thinking in English, your mind becomes fast and you feel more confident. It may feel hard at first, but keep trying. Slowly, your brain will make it natural. 6. Practice with friends. Do you have a friend who is also learning English? Practice with them. Ask simple questions like, what did you eat today? Where are you going? How is your family? When you talk with a friend, you feel less shy. You both make mistakes and you both learn. This helps you speak with courage. You can also play games in English. You can also share jokes in English. 7. Use positive words. Sometimes the biggest problem is not English. The problem is your own mind. You tell yourself, my English is bad. I cannot speak well. I will never improve. These thoughts destroy your confidence. So change them. Say to yourself, my English is getting better. I can learn step by step. I am not afraid to try. Positive words give you power, and that power builds confidence. Always be kind to yourself. Your words can make you strong or weak, so choose strong words. 8. Read out loud. Reading out loud is a simple but powerful method. Take a short story, a book, or even a newspaper. Read the words with your voice. When you read out loud, you practice speaking and listening at the same time. You also improve your pronunciation. At first, you may feel shy, but when you hear your own voice, you will feel stronger. This habit will increase your confidence. Do it for 10 minutes every day. You will see fast improvement.
9. Celebrate small successes. Confidence grows when you celebrate progress. Did you learn 5 new words today? Be happy. Did you speak one English sentence with no fear? That is success. Did you watch a video and understand one line? That is progress. Clap for yourself. Say, yes, I did it. These small celebrations make your heart strong, and they push you to try more. Never forget that small steps create big results. 10. Be patient. Confidence takes time. Do not expect it in one day. Great speakers were also beginners once. They also felt nervous, but they practiced. They waited, and now they speak with confidence. If you keep practicing, your time will come. One day, you will speak English with no fear. One day, you will feel proud. Your journey may be slow, but slow progress is still progress. Every day you are moving forward. Final words. Building confidence with English is like building a house. First, you make the foundation. Then you add bricks one by one. Finally, you have a strong and beautiful home. Your English confidence is the same. Start small. Practice daily. Do not fear mistakes. Think positive and never stop learning. Confidence is not speaking perfect English. Confidence is speaking without fear. So believe in yourself. Your journey has already started. Step by step, your confidence will grow, and soon you will shine with English. Remember, the key is not speed. The key is consistency. If you keep going, nothing can stop you.